Welcome, today in front of me Motorola Moto G200 and I'll show you how to move ringtone on this device. So first you should go to the settings application and now just go to the sounds and vibration section. And here, as you can see, we got ringing notification volume panel. Just to move your ringtone, swipe this dot to the left side with your finger. And that's it. And also we got this second way how we can do that. Just here on the right side of your device you got the volume buttons. Tap to the one from these volume buttons, and here you can just tap to the settings icon, and by the same way swap this dot to the left side, and now just tap to done to confirm. So that's how it looks. If you found this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.